The internet is a vast universe of information. It's a place where knowledge flows freely. YouTube stands as a digital galaxy within this universe. It's a place where billions of videos shine brightly, offering education, entertainment, and inspiration. As we venture further into the digital age, artificial intelligence emerges as a powerful force. AI has the potential to reshape the landscape of content creation. Imagine a future where AI assists creators. Imagine AI tools that make learning more engaging and accessible. This is not science fiction. This is the exciting reality unfolding before our eyes. At the forefront of this AI revolution is Gemini. Gemini is YouTube's innovative AI tool. It's poised to transform how we create and experience online content. Gemini is more than just a tool. It's a creative partner. Imagine Gemini as a digital assistant. It can help creators enhance their videos. It can make educational content more interactive. It can even power custom chatbots that engage with viewers. Gemini is a testament to the power of AI. It's a beacon illuminating the path toward a future where technology empowers creativity and learning. Education is the foundation of progress. It's the key to unlocking human potential. Gemini has the power to make education more engaging and effective. Imagine watching an educational video on YouTube. Now, imagine that video coming alive with interactive elements. Gemini can make this a reality. It can integrate real-time quizzes into videos. It can provide personalized feedback to learners. It can even adjust the pace of the content based on individual needs. With Gemini, learning becomes an immersive and personalized journey. Have you ever watched a video and wished you could test your knowledge? Gemini makes this possible. It empowers creators to embed real-time quizzes directly into their videos. These quizzes can reinforce key concepts. They can provide instant feedback to learners. Imagine watching a history documentary. As you learn about key events, Gemini seamlessly presents you with a quiz. You answer questions, testing your understanding. You receive immediate feedback, solidifying your knowledge. This is the power of Gemini transforming passive viewing into active learning. Section 5. Beyond passive viewing, engaging with educational content. Traditional education often relies on passive learning. Students sit in classrooms absorbing information. Gemini challenges this paradigm. It transforms educational content into an interactive experience. Imagine watching a science video. With Gemini, you can pause the video and ask clarifying questions. You can engage in simulations to deepen your understanding. You can even collaborate with other learners in real time. Gemini empowers viewers to become active participants in their learning journey. Section 6. The rise of the AI, YouTubers, personalized learning companions. Imagine a world where your favorite YouTubers are always available. Imagine having a personalized AI companion. This companion knows your interests. It can answer your questions. It can even provide customized recommendations. Gemini makes this futuristic vision attainable. It enables the creation of custom chatbots. These chatbots can embody the persona of real YouTubers. They can interact with viewers, answer questions, and provide personalized recommendations. The future of learning could involve AI companions. These companions would guide us on our educational journeys. Section 7. Custom chatbots. Your favorite creators, always available. Have you ever wanted to ask your favorite YouTuber a question? Maybe you've had a burning question about their latest video or wanted to know more about their creative process. Have you ever wished you could have a conversation with them? Imagine being able to chat with them as if they were right there with you, sharing their thoughts and insights. Gemini makes this possible in a way. It bridges the gap between creators and their audience, making interactions more accessible and engaging. Creators can use Gemini to build custom chatbots. These chatbots are designed to reflect the creator's unique style and personality. These chatbots can capture the unique voice and personality of the creator. They can mimic their tone, humor, and even their quirks. Imagine having a chatbot that responds to you. It feels like you're having a real conversation with your favorite creator. Imagine it uses the same humor and insights as your favorite YouTuber. It's like having a piece of them available to you anytime. You could ask questions about their videos, want to know more about a specific topic they covered? Just ask the chatbot. You could get personalized recommendations. The chatbot can suggest videos or content based on your interests and preferences. You could even just have a fun conversation, share a joke, get some advice, or simply enjoy a chat. Gemini breaks down the barriers between creators and their audience. It makes communication seamless and more personal. It fosters a more personal and interactive connection. With Gemini, the bond between creators and their fans becomes stronger and more meaningful. Section 8. A galaxy of possibilities, AI-powered content creation tools. The potential applications of AI in content creation are vast and varied. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing creative processes, AI is revolutionizing the way content is produced and consumed. Imagine AI tools that can automatically generate subtitles for videos. This not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy and consistency, making content more accessible to everyone. Imagine AI that can translate videos into different languages. This opens up a world of possibilities for reaching a global audience, breaking down language barriers, and fostering cross-cultural communication. Imagine AI that can even help creators edit their videos more efficiently. By automating repetitive tasks and suggesting creative enhancements, AI allows creators to focus on what they do best, telling compelling stories. Gemini is just the beginning. This innovative tool is paving the way for a new era of content creation, where AI and human creativity work hand in hand. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative tools emerge. These tools will not only enhance productivity, but also inspire new forms of creativity and expression. These tools will empower creators to produce higher quality content. With AI handling the technical aspects, creators can focus on crafting unique and engaging narratives. They will make content more accessible to a global audience. By providing multilingual support and personalized experiences, AI ensures that content resonates with diverse audiences around the world. The future of content creation is bright, powered by the limitless potential of AI. As we continue to explore and harness this technology, the possibilities are truly endless. Section 9. The ethical frontier, navigating the future of AI. As with any transformative technology, AI raises important ethical considerations. We must ensure that AI is used responsibly. We must prevent biases from creeping into algorithms. We must prioritize transparency and accountability in AI development. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we must shape together. By embracing ethical principles, we can harness the power of AI for good. We can create a future where AI benefits all of humanity. Section 10. A universe of opportunity empowering creators and viewers. The rise of AI in content creation presents a universe of opportunity. For creators, AI offers tools to enhance their creativity. It provides new avenues for connecting with audiences. It opens doors to innovative storytelling possibilities. For viewers, AI promises a more personalized and engaging experience. It offers opportunities for interactive learning. It provides access to content tailored to individual interests. The future of YouTube is a collaborative journey. It's a journey where AI empowers both creators and viewers. Section 11. The future of YouTube, a symphony of human and artificial intelligence. This is not just a vision, it's a reality unfolding before our eyes. The future of YouTube is a harmonious blend of human creativity and artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where creators are empowered by AI to push the boundaries of their imagination. AI will not replace human creators. Instead, it will serve as a powerful ally, enhancing their unique talents and skills. Instead, it will augment their abilities, providing them with unprecedented tools and resources to elevate their work to new heights. It will provide them with powerful tools to enhance their craft. From AI-powered editing software to advanced content creation tools, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a future where AI assists creators in every step of the production process, from brainstorming ideas to final edits. Imagine AI generating stunning visuals that captivate audiences and bring stories to life in ways never before possible. Imagine AI composing original music that perfectly complements the mood and tone of each video. The possibilities are limitless. The future of YouTube is a tapestry woven from the threads of human ingenuity and technological innovation. It's a future where the synergy between human and machine creates something truly extraordinary. It's a future where entertainment and education intertwine seamlessly, offering viewers a rich and diverse array of content. It's a future where the thirst for knowledge knows no bounds, and learning opportunities are boundless. With AI as a partner, creators can explore new frontiers and share their discoveries with the world.